day. My name is Elon Bennett. I attended Kingston Technical High School.
Good morning, everyone. I'm a past student of the Wolmer's Girls School, proudly. My name is Denise Reed.
My name is Keisha Nugent. I'm a past student of Wolmer's Girls School. Our motto, Age Quod Agis. Whatever you do, do it to the best of your ability.
My name is Vicky Miller. I am a proud graduate of Tivoli Gardens Comprehensive High School.
My name is Peter Campbell, Tivoli Gardens High School. Motto, studies transform into character.
Good morning, students. Good morning, everyone. My name is Everton Pessoa, and I'm a graduate of the #1 school in Kingston, Jamaica, Norman Manley High School. Yes.
Boys and girls, I am not contending my school because I know you all know that Dintil Technical High School is the best high school in Jamaica. Okay? And I just want to tell you that you can strive for whatever you want to be.
It's not where you go, it's what you do.
Clap them, boys and girls. I'm gonna ask.
The teachers came up with this idea to have a uniform day so that the students who generally do the GSAT examination so that they can feel proud of themselves. It doesn't matter what school they are placed. Sometimes when the result comes out, they feel as if they are worthless. You know, they didn't work real hard and they don't feel where they have been placed satisfying to them. Some will cry, some feel as if they won't reach anywhere. But we want to encourage them.
So we want them to understand that if they look around, they will see different teachers from different schools. Some teachers went to Denham Town, some went to Immaculate, some went to Wolmer's, but we're all here and we're all excellent teachers.
Most students want to transfer from the school they went to. Like, for example, if you go to a school like Denham Town or Tivoli, it doesn't matter. You have to just study hard and focus on your goals, achieve what you learned in class, and just to be focused.
But I went to Denham Town and persons looked down on Denham Town. I am now a teacher at this school. When I just left Denham Town, I went to many places to ensure that I got all the subjects I needed. Now I hold a CPS, what is that? I'm a certified professional secretary. I moved from there. I now hold 2 diplomas in education. I'm a primary school teacher. I'm also a trained guidance counselor. I moved on from there. I went to UWI, that's the University of the West Indies. I'm a holder of a bachelor's degree in psychology and political science. Sometime later, I moved on to do my master's degree at Florida International University. So I now hold a master's degree in curriculum and instruction. Students, how far you climb, how much you see, how far you reach depends on you. Let nothing stop you. You can conquer the world by doing what it is you need to do.
Now, whichever school grade 6 you are placed, you're going to go there and do your best. Your mind is a very strong tool. You might say to yourselves, I am done, but there's no such word as being done. You're going to tell yourself, I can make it. Visualize what you want to become. If you want to become a teacher, see yourself as a teacher. If you want to become a doctor, see yourself as a doctor.
Well, it's a constant work and a constant encouragement to the students because, you know, sometimes they feel as if they don't go to the traditional high school, you know, they feel inferior. But I'm here to tell them that you don't have to feel inferior because I went to Norman Manley. So it's not where you go, it's what you do where you are.
I
think this was a very good idea, because in doing this, it helps to motivate the children and help them to know that it doesn't matter the school that they attend, they can come up and achieve great things in life.
I feel great because it motivates the children to let them know that if it's not the school that you go, it's what you go there and do, and that if you pass for a non-traditional high school, you can still do the same as if you pass for a traditional high school.
I feel overwhelmed because the teacher showed us that even though if you pass for a traditional or non-traditional, only thing you have to do is go to your high school and make the best out of it, because you can become what you want in life only if you put your brain to it and work hard.
I feel very happy and good that no matter which school you go, you can still go there and do your best and achieve your goals.
It's not where you go, it's what you do. Keep watching Jamaica Magazine.